Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about this T-Mobile new promotions. Usually they have this the home internet for $50 a month, and I guess right now they're trying to be competitive and they're giving promotions which is like $30 to $20 off, but if you have it on auto pay it comes down to $25. And I believe they do give you a test drive as well, so you can try it out for 15 days and see how good the reception is at your area and see if it's even worth it for you as well. And right here it says that they even pay for your contract. So if you're locked in with either, like myself, I think I signed up with Frontiers. Currently I'm paying $39.99 for the next, I think for the next year, and I get 500 down, 500 up. So I think that's not bad at all. But comparing to this $25, you know, it's pretty good. If you have good reception with T-Mobile where you live, you might want to give them a try. Okay, and it says right here too, we won't raise your price for internet. So I guess they lock you in for that price. Okay. And here, just if you want to give it a shot, you can just put your address and your phone number, and then see if it's available for you, it's a good reception or not. And here, just some of the things that will come with this plan: $25 for the home internet, and then you get like Paramount for 1 year on them. You get like live TV from Philo for $15 a month, and also with the home phone service. I guess for $9.99 a month. And right now, as far as my sales provider, I'm a Sprint customers, and then I get my about 5 days ago, I was forced to migrate it over to T-Mobile's billing system. So right now I no longer log into Sprint account, and I have to log into T-Mobile. And there's a couple glitches in my account where they remove my free line promotions and now. But I chatted with T-Force, and they said they're gonna put that back. And so as far as with service with T-Mobile, I think I don't have any issue. They're really fast, but I just don't know how fast the home internet is. So when my contract expire with Frontiers, I'll see if I can talk to them to maintain or to lower the price. If not, I might have to give T-Mobile a try. And hopefully by then they'll still have this promotion, $25 a month, because I think that's really cheap. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you love the videos, please subscribe. Other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.